There's a cow that loves to moo. Chickens pluck, they're never blue. Pigs are rolling in the dirt. Sheep are proud in fluffy shirts. Rabbits hop across the field. Goats on fences refuse to yield. Horses gallop full of charm. Life is grand down on the farm. The animals on the farm, they from dawn to dusk in fields of hay. Each one sings a special tune. Beneath the sun and silvery moon, ducks are quacking by the pond. Cats patrol the hay beyond. Dogs are herding sheep with skill. Life on this farm's a wonderful thrill. Peacocks show their feathers, bright owls awake in moonlit night. Turkeys gobble running round. Everyone's part of this quirky town. The animal song for let play, for daskin field to play.